What's up, people? It's your boy, ThaBlackCobra. Now I'm back with Electric Unicycles, gadgets, and gear. This is going to help me capture more video while I'm out there. I'm talking about the Insta 360 1X. That's right, people. Yes, I know I'm late to the party. It's been months and months that everybody's already had this. Everybody's on board. Everybody's utilizing it. But I decided I wanted to get into the electric unicycles first, which I'm happy I'm involved with now. I've established myself, got the 16X, the King Song 16X that I'm going to ride. I want to capture some 360 video, so I decided it was time to jump in. We got some accessories to go along with it, and we got it in the box here. I want to open it up, do a quick unboxing, and check it out. Let's go. I got a couple of accessories also, but we're gonna get into the main box first here. We're not gonna take too long on it. We're gonna do it quickly. Right? Oh, I got the bullet time handle, bullet time bundle rather, to go along with it. Got me another 128 gigabyte card, and here it is, the Insta 360 1X. I know this is not new to anyone because a lot of people have seen it already, but there's that Insta 360 1X. I'm loving this thing. I'm loving what I see from it. I'm loving what it says it can do, and what I've seen it do already. I got a couple other things. First, I bought some batteries, a dual charger. I'm not even gonna open those because you know what those look like. You know what the card looks like. Oh, I got a case so that I can carry everything together. And along with the case, I got a nice rubberized sleeve for it. Now this rubberized sleeve has a cover for the screen as well, because that's one of the things that I keep seeing is that the screens on each side stick out, and when you lay it down, put it down, there's a chance it'll get scratched. So I'm hoping to be able to utilize this a good bit of the time to at least have something on it to cover it, so that I don't scratch those lenses, because from what I understand, that's the one thing that you really don't want to do, but it's very possible because of the way the camera's made. All right, so I also, this case here that I got, this hard case. Now remember, everything I talk about, everything I show you will be linked in the description below. Clicking that link will help me out, because I love to do this, but it ain't easy. But the thing is, I love it. So anyway, click the link and help me out here at the channel, and get your items that way. So anyway, it has another little hard case, has a leash to go with it, and I like this little case because you can clip it on wherever. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, and I think, oh yeah, I should be able to use them together if necessary. Oh, and the case here has a nice soft interior to protect it, and it's sectioned off. Extra storage here for cables and other things, but you can put the bullet time bundle, the handle, the selfie stick, and the camera, and all the accessories here, and then you can keep them all together. And it's not super hard, but it's hard enough that it can protect it, and it can protect it from an impact or a fall. We are gonna go straight forward, and we're gonna open up this camera. That's what we're gonna do right here, because this camera has got me excited. It really, really does. Of course, it's a gadget. It's not hard to excite me when it comes to gadgets. So my family and friends will tell you. All right, here we go. There we go. In case you didn't hear it. Every time I open a brand new gadget like this, I feel like I hear that sound and I see the clouds parting, and oh man, this thing is beautiful. Not only is it beautiful, but it really is super smooth. I know they said that. I've heard a lot of people say it, but yeah, it feels good in the hand. So here's the compartment that you open where you put the battery, and then on the bottom, well, here is where you plug it up. On the bottom, under the sticker here, is where you're gonna put the memory card. Okay, the memory card fits in there, and then you got the 1/4" thread where you can thread it onto the poles. With the battery there, you got a cable. I think that's for has to do with the bullet time. Yep. Oh, it's a leash. So you can screw this to the bottom of the camera and then attach this to the other end, and then you swing it around. Okay, I can see that. I can see that. All right, let's open this bullet time bundle over here. Woo! Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Wow. All right, designed for bullet time. All right. Okay, Insta 360. Oh man, I like this thing. It's got the nice tripod built in the bottom. It's got the nice lettering, nice texturing. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh, now we're talking. This might well have just become my favorite new selfie stick, because the other one, I have all the interlocking parts, but this here, it just extends. Wow, that's pretty long. Whew. All right. I know they have another one that's a lot longer, but you can put this one on the end, put this on the end here. Oh yeah. Get us some video. Now I know you know by now that when you hold it like this and you have this stick attached, that when it stitches the video together, it edits out the pole, so it looks like it's a floating camera. I mean, I know I'm telling you, I'm preaching to people who already know about this. I'm sure you guys out there know more about this than me, but maybe you just don't have it yet, so you wanted to take a peek at what you get when you get it in the box. I can tell you that the pole is definitely hollow. It doesn't have a solid feel. It has more of, it's a hollow feel, so you don't have to worry about it being heavy in your hand. The rubberized grip here has a nice texture, and I like it. I like it a lot. This is that protective sleeve that everybody was showing. Everybody was using this because when they take it and, like, if you go to put it down, instead of putting it down, even when you are transferring data, you're gonna slide it in here and leave it like that, so that the lenses are covered even when you're transferring. That way you don't have to ever worry about putting this down. But between this sleeve, this case, and this, I think I got quite enough items to cover my Insta360 One X and try and protect it. We have the 3 various cables, the USB-C, and the micro USB, and the lightning adapter, right? Just like I've seen before. It has all 3. My iPad Pro has the USB-C, so I'll be using it with that, and my iPhone has the lightning, so I'll be using it with that. All right, well, when connecting to the computer, it's only got the micro USB on one end and the USB-A on the other end. So that's what you get. And here is all of my extraneous items here that came together. Let's see here. All right, this is all you get. This is everything that comes when you're buying this together. Now, there's a couple of extra items. These extra items here I bought. These 3 items I bought on my own separately. I got them all on Amazon. Like I said, they will be listed in the description box below this video. So if you're watching it on a phone, hit that little arrow. It'll drop it down and you can scroll down and look at the links. Click a link and go directly to whatever product here that you want. And I try to make it easy for you. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing. I hope that you like the Insta360 One X, because that's why you watched this video. And I hope you run out and grab one yourself. Now stay tuned to the channel, because I am going to be posting a lot of content. Now the Insta360 One X, as you know, will do 5.7K video. And yes, that's super high resolution, but it's capturing everything around it at one time. So it needs to be super high resolution in order to capture it at a high rate. Now sometimes if you want to slow it down and do slow-mo video, people bring it down to 4K or even 3K. The problem is I do see a lot of people, when they do that, then it breaks down the resolution, because even though it's at 3 or 4K, again, it's recording everything, so it needs super high resolution to get that to look right. So I think I'm primarily going to use this in the 5.7K setting, so that I can get as much resolution as possible. This is going to give me another option with the spherical video and being able to capture everything after the fact. That's what I'm excited about. To be able to go out and record and just not worry about it. Just record. And then later on, come back and say, I don't like that angle. Move it over. I don't like that angle. Move it over. Let's crop this right here. Start here. Move to here. It's like it's being a director in every video. And of course, content creators, that's what we do. But this gives us more control and more power in the ultimate ending product. So I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. I'm excited to see some video. If you have comments about it, let me know. If you like the Insta, let me know. If you don't like the Insta, let me know why. If you already had an experience and you want to share it with me, hit me in the comments down below. This has been your boy, ThaBlackCobra, back once again. Electric unicycles, gadgets and gear. Check me out. Peace.